Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and realizing you made money while you were asleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But that's the power of passive income. Money that flows in with little to no effort after the initial setup. In today's video, we'll explore 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. We're not talking about scams, fake gurus, or get-rich-quick schemes. These are real strategies being used by millions of people worldwide to build wealth and financial freedom. And stick around till the end, because I'll share the one passive income stream most millionaires swear by. Segment 1. What is passive income? Money earned with minimal ongoing effort. Not 100% effort-free. Requires time, skill, or money up front. Idea number 1. Dividend stocks and ETFs, buying shares in companies that pay dividends. For example, Coca-Cola has paid dividends for over 60 years. Vanguard ETFs, S&P 500 dividend funds. Pros: reliable, scalable. Cons: requires upfront capital, stock market risks. Someone who invested £200 per month in dividend ETFs and now earns £300 per month in passive income after 10 years. Idea number 2. Real estate, buy-to-let and REITs, traditional rental property of monthly income, asset appreciation. Challenge: requires large capital, maintenance, tenants. Alternative: REITs, real estate investment trusts. Example: UK REITs like British Land, or US ones like Realty Income Pros, tangible asset, inflation hedge. Cons: upfront cost, regulations, market cycles, pause. Idea number 3. Digital products, ebooks, courses, templates, explanation. Create once, sell repeatedly. Examples: finance ebook, Canva templates, Udemy course. Platforms: Gumroad, Teachable, Etsy. For example, teacher who uploaded a £10 Excel budgeting template now makes £500 per month. Pros: scalable, low cost. Cons: requires skills, marketing effort. Idea number 4. YouTube, content creation. Yes, YouTube itself can become passive income. Monetization via ads, sponsorships, affiliates. Example: a small channel in the finance niche with 10,000 subscribers can earn £500 to £1,000 per month. Truth: first year and hard work. After momentum, videos earn money for years. Pros: scalable, global audience. Cons: requires consistency, competition. Idea number 5. Affiliate marketing, explanation. Promoting other people's products or services for commission. Example: Amazon associates, finance apps like Trading to 12, Coinbase referrals. Blogger who recommended budgeting apps earns recurring commissions. Pros: no product creation, low barrier to entry. Cons: requires traffic, website, my social, YouTube. Idea 6. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding, explanation. Lend money online, earn interest. Platforms: Funding Circle, UK, Lending Club, US. Risks: borrower defaults. Mitigation: diversify across loans. Passive once set up, returns 4 to 8% annually. Idea number 7. High-yield savings accounts and bonds, not exciting but stable. Example: premium bonds, UK, money market funds. Good for people who want lazy passive income with low risk. Returns lower, but beats inflation. Business ownership and systems, true millionaire passive income, often comes from owning systems, not just assets. Example: someone who owns a laundromat, car wash, or even an online store run by automation. Idea: build once, step away, earn for years. Start small. Even £50 a month in investing or creating one digital product can change your life in 5 to 10 years. Remember, passive income is not about doing nothing. It's about working smart up front, so your money and systems work for you later. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Which of these passive income ideas excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more wealth-wise videos that help you build wealth step by step.